Is it possible to make money with photography as a beginner? It most definitely is. And in this video, I'm going to give you some great ideas about how you can earn cash with your photography, even if you're just starting out. Don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Before we jump into these ideas on how to make money with photography as a beginner, I want to let you know about all the great free resources that await you in the video description. Down there, you will find links to all the sites I mentioned in this video, plus links to blog posts that I have done about some of these money-making ideas. So if you want extra knowledge or information, you know where to find it. Make money with photography as a beginner. Idea number 1. Stock photography. Stock photography is photos that people or businesses will purchase to use in their blogs, their websites, or their advertisements, etc. And stock photography is great because you don't have to be a professional in the same way that you would if you were, say, a wedding photographer or a portrait photographer, where you're being paid an exuberant amount of money to take photos of moments that may never be repeated. There's a lot of pressure there and you need to be good at what you do. And with stock photography, you can do it anywhere, anytime. It can even be done with your smartphone. You can take photos of items around the house, people in your neighborhood, animals, landscapes, buildings, whatever your imagination can think of. If you follow the trends and photograph things that people are searching for, you can make a good amount of money on this. Some examples of stock photography sites are Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, but there are plenty more. There are links down in the video description to those 3 sites for you to check them out. Make sure that you read their guidelines, terms of service, and upload requirements before you sign up. Make money with photography as a beginner. Idea 2. Start a blog. Blogging is a fantastic way to both get your photography out there and to earn money. It's fantastic because you can approach this from so many different angles. You can blog about your everyday, where you're going, what you're shooting, etc. You can blog about photography equipment and do product reviews. You can blog about photography trips and courses. It's limited only by your imagination. This is not a get-rich-quick idea, however. It does take some time, generally around 6 months of regular, consistent blogging to see enough organic traction to your website, providing you've set your SEO up correctly. You can see results quicker by throwing a little money at it, but if you don't have money, just be aware it will take some time. Once Google recognizes your site as a genuine place where photographers can come and get good, valuable information and not just another spam site out there to make a quick buck, it will start to move you up in the search results and you'll get more traction, hence more visitors to your blog. You can then monetize your blog by putting ads on it with Google AdSense. And this is a great way to get money coming in on autopilot 24/7. You can start a blog anywhere really, but some great sites to look at for starters are WordPress, Wix, and Blogger. Again, the links to those sites are down there in the video description, so make sure to check them out for yourself. And this leads me to my next way to make money with photography as a beginner, which is make money with photography as a beginner. Idea 3. Start a YouTube channel. In the same way that you can start a blog to get your photography out there, you could consider starting a YouTube channel. Again, this is limited only by your imagination. Now, photography is a fairly saturated niche here on YouTube, but if you do a little bit of research, I'm sure you'll be able to find an angle or approach that can get you some viewers. It takes time to learn to rank your videos in the search results on YouTube, but if you can do this, your channel will get a lot of organic views. You can then monetize it by allowing Google AdSense to display ads on your videos. Before you do this, there are some requirements that you have to meet. You have to A, have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. B, your videos must have had 4,000 watch time hours within the past 12 months. C, you must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. And D, you of course need to have a Google AdSense account set up. Once that is all done, you can start to monetize. Now, Google AdSense is not a gold mine, but it does add up to quite a great deal of money over time for doing something that you would have done anyway, creating videos. There are loads of great videos here on YouTube for how to start a YouTube channel. So just do a search for how to start a YouTube channel and you should get all the help you need. Make money with photography as a beginner. Idea 4, affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you sign up online with a company as kind of a digital sales rep, if you like. When you sign up, you are given a unique code that goes into links to products that you put on your website or blog. When a reader of your blog or a viewer of your video makes a purchase via those links, you get a small commission for that sale. Now, this goes back to my suggestion about blogging about photography products. You use great photography gear every single day that you love and couldn't live without. Why not write about it or film a video about it? Sign up as an affiliate with companies that make this awesome gear and get commissions for sales of that product from your blog or your video. This is why affiliate marketing is so great. You only review products that you know and love. Your readers or viewers love your blog or your YouTube channel. You are passionate about the products that you review and therefore get them excited about it too. And lastly, and most importantly, they are more likely to buy from you because they know you and they trust you like a friend. This is another great way to get money coming in on autopilot. Yes, it takes work to film the video or do the blog and insert the affiliate links, but once that blog or video is online, it sits there with the potential to earn you money. Make money with photography as a beginner. Idea 5. Make products with your photos. You are taking photos all the time, right? So why not make something of them instead of just a print or a digital image that sits there on your camera or your phone or your hard drive? There is no limit to what you can do with your photos now. You can print them onto t-shirts, mugs, hats, bags, key rings, mini skirts, whatever you like. And you don't have to do this yourself. There are loads of print-on-demand sites that can print and ship the products, so all you have to do is take the photos, upload them to the website, and they'll do the rest. My favorite site and the one that I'm earning the most money from at the moment is Redbubble. You might also try Zazzle or Printful. The links to these sites are down in the video description. If you're more of a hands-on type person and you want to make products yourself, check out Pinterest. You will find no shortage of ways to use your photos on Pinterest. Once you have some products, you might try selling them at local craft markets, which is what I used to do. You could start an Etsy store, sell on eBay, or you might even consider starting your own website and selling your products from there. There are just loads and loads of options. Those are just a handful of ways to make money with photography as a beginner. And there is one great resource that can teach you how to do all of that and so much more. Next week, I'm going to tell you exactly what that is. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit subscribe and ding that notification bell so you don't miss that video next week. Remember, there is loads more information down in the video description, so be sure to check out those links. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.